Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. So God bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video we are providing you most amazing and trending designs of handmade crochet blankets. It's a very cool color combination and amazing designs for your kids. So viewer, please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and very useful. I hope viewer you all love these type of beautiful and trending collection. So you will share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most attractive and trending designs of handmade crochet blankets, especially for your kids. And because winter weather are comes, so must make these beautiful designs. You know guys, different peoples have different choices and they love different type of colors and designs. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs. Some people like dark colors and some people like light colors. All the variety are available in this video, so pick your favorite one design and must make these beautiful article for yourself, for your kids, for more beautiful and outstanding looks. You can see your kids are very comfortable and easy because these are totally soft collection. Yarn are very soft. This is the main part when you purchase your yarn, so check the yarn because this is very important. Thank you viewer for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's very amazing and very trending collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet articles. So viewer, now I am share with you some benefits of crochet articles and crochet blankets. So these are the benefits including relaxation and stress relief. The repetitive motion of crocheting can be calming and meditative, help to reduce stress and anxiety, improve mental health. The sense of accommodations and creativity can boost self-esteem and confidence. Social connections. Joining a crochet community or making blankets for others can foster social connections and a sense of belonging. Fine motor skills development. Crocheting can help improve hand-eye coordinations, dexterity, and cognitive functions. Personalized gifts. Crocheted blankets make throughout unique gift for loved one. Cozy and warm crocheted blankets provide you physical warmth and comfort, perfect for colder climates like Pakistani's winters. Portability. Crochet projects are easily to take on the go, making them a great hobby for busy individual. Mindfulness. The focused attentions required for crocheting can cultivate mindfulness and presence. Creative expression. Crocheting allows for endless creativity and self-expression through colors, pattern and design choices. Sense of accommodations. Completing a crocheted blanket can give you a tremendous sense of pride. So viewer, you can see all the benefits are very important and very amazing, so must follow and must make these beautiful designs. So viewer, crochet is a wonderful hobby and it's a very amazing collection. The repetitive motion of Crocheting can be calming and meditative. These are very amazing. And crochet is a French word. Its meaning is hook, and the first known evidence dates back to 1824 in South America. Crochet was originally used to make a wide range of items from clothing to accessories and home decor. The main and amazing addition in crochet is blankets, and crochet is a popular needlework hobby that involves creating fabric by using a crochet hook to interlock loops of yarn, thread, or other materials. Here are some aspects of crochet benefits: relaxation, stress relief, improved mental health, social connections, fine motor skill development, mindfulness, creativity, sense of accomplishment, and more. Type of crochet: filet crochet, tapestry crochet, free-form crochet, and granny square crochet, lace crochet, brooches crochet, hairpin lace crochet, and others. Tools are used: crochet hook, yarn, tapestry needle, scissors, stitch markers, and measuring tape or rules. So I hope you all are understand with the all type of crochet. If you all love this article and if you want more design and more ideas, so we were like my video, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the new and latest update. When you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me, friends, and remember me in your precious prayers. Okay, my lovely viewers, see you soon. Take care and Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.